Hi, I'm Mike Thomas, Care Training Lead here at GAF. If your house has been damaged in a storm, understanding your insurance and working through the claims process can be complex. In this video, I'll explain the 5 steps to file a homeowner's insurance claim. Homeowner's insurance covers your home and the belongings in the event of property damage. Prior to filing a homeowner's insurance claim, look over your policy to see it covers the damage you're claiming. You should also become familiar with your policy details, like your deductible and how your payout is calculated. That is, replacement cost or actual cash value. How do I file a homeowner's insurance claim? If you think the damage to your home or personal property is covered by your policy, organize as many details as possible about what caused the loss and then reach out to your insurance company. The homeowner's insurance claim filing process will vary depending on your insurance company and the type of claim you're filing, but you'll generally want to do the following. Survey the damage. If you're filing a claim after a natural disaster like a wildfire or tornado, survey the damage before contacting your insurance company. Avoid throwing out anything that's ruined or damaged. Instead, keep it so you have documentation for when the insurance adjuster comes out to inspect your damage. Step 1. Contact your insurance company. Call your insurance company and inform them of the incident. The insurance company claim professional will likely inform you if the loss is covered by your policy and how long you have to file the claim. Step 2. Fill out the claim forms. You'll then fill out the claim documents, including the proof of loss form, sent to you or provided through the company's online or mobile claims portal. You may also submit photo or video evidence of the damage. Step 3. Provide documentation of everything. In the event of a claim for personal property loss, you're going to need to substantiate the loss before you'll be sent a reimbursement check. Having receipts, a list, or a home inventory that confirms the value and description of damaged or stolen items will improve your chances of getting fully reimbursed. Step 4. Make temporary repairs. You want to make sure that any openings or damage to the structure of your home won't result in further damage. If you notice a leak or hole, make temporary repairs and hold on to those receipts so that you're reimbursed by the insurance company. Step 5. Prepare for the adjuster. Your claim may also require a visit from the insurance adjuster, particularly for large claims involving damage to the structure of your home. The adjuster's role is to assess the damage and confirm several details before reimbursement can proceed. The inspection may include, but is not limited to, confirming that the cause of loss is covered under your policy, a detailed inspection of your home structure, and providing the adjuster with any documentation like receipts, photos, or a home inventory. Things to remember: file as soon as possible. In most states, a decision about whether your claim is accepted or denied must be made within a limited time frame, so you'll want to file a homeowner's insurance claim as soon as possible after the incident. For more details on these coverages and other important storm-related questions, please check out our other videos in this series.